जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
He is our friend Harishankar Sharma. Just like Hari, you will now often see many specially abled people on the streets of Mumbai doing Zomato delivery work using specially designed scooters. Helping these individuals move from dependence to self-respect is an organization called Snehajot Divyang Seva Pratishthan. Snehajot was founded by Sudatai Wagh, who has been devoted to the rehabilitation of specially abled individuals for the past 40 years, and her team of Sevavratis. Inspired by veteran social worker Dada Patwardhan and strongly supported by Mr. Arun Valavalkar, Mr. Milinda Tendulkar and Mrs. Aparna Kaikini. The journey of Snehajot began in December 2021. If people are physically weak and stuck in difficult circumstances, they naturally fall behind. But if we can create a slightly better environment for those and help them become stronger in their thoughts and mindset, then they can not only change their own destiny but also positively impact the lives of many others connected to them, and in turn influence society as well. It is on this strong belief that the work of Snehajot stands. When a person with disability joins the Skill Development Training Center at Snehajot and learns different techniques of handicrafts and sewing, and for the first time creates something like a paper flower that looks real, or a purse so beautiful that any woman would want to carry it on her shoulder, that moment gives them the joy of creation and the confidence that they too can make something of value. This is often the first time they experience such confidence and happiness. And once that spark of confidence is lit, they never look back. Then Snehajot supports them with whatever help they need for their education, job, or if they wish to start a business. Sometimes this help is paying educational fees, sometimes it's arranging skill development courses needed for a job, and sometimes it's helping raise part of the capital needed for a business. In the past 3 years, Snehajot has helped more than 150 specially abled people complete all the necessary government paperwork and get benefits like UDID card, Sanjay Gandhi Niradhar Pension Yojana and Dharmavir Anand Dighe Yojana. Now even the Tahsildars and Talathis themselves organize one-day camps through Snehajot, where all differently abled individuals can get the benefits of these schemes through a single window system. On the occasion of World Disability Day on December 3rd, Snehajot has been organizing a sports festival for nearly 200 people with disabilities across Mumbai for 3 years in a row. The happiness seen on the faces of all these friends while going home in the evening is priceless. Along with this joy, to encourage people with disabilities to move forward in the field of sports, Snehajot honors one male and one female who have done remarkable work in parasports with the Snehajot Shaktishali Vyaktimatva Puraskar. If attention is given to the physical and mental health of Divyang people, their quality of life can be greatly improved. With this aim, on the last 3rd of December, Snehajot started the initiative called Health Monitor Program for Disabled under the guidance of veteran professor Dr. Hemant Shinde. Under this program, specially abled individuals are provided with free health checkups, physiotherapy treatments, mental counseling, yoga training, and assistance for surgeries if needed. Each person is different, their disability is different, so the process of empowering each one is also different. And to carry out this process properly, it is important to have a rightful and adequate space of one's own. This journey, which began 3 years ago in a small garage, has now reached a rented flat in Sri Krishna Nagar, Borivali East. Snehajot is making continuous efforts with the government to get a rightful space needed to carry out the work of rehabilitation for Divyang people without any obstacles. With a selfless attitude, the volunteers of Snehajot, who inspire people with disabilities to live life with renewed hope, have created a space in the hearts of hundreds of Divyang friends in Maharashtra. But one day, Snehajot will also surely acquire a space to establish a center for self-reliance for all these individuals. With this hope, the journey of Snehajot continues.